Hello and welcome back to World War II history and reenacting. Today I want to show you guys something that I've been looking for the last 15 years. These are original tailor patterns and cut sheets for the German army pre- and early war uniforms, known to collectors as the M36 and M40. Tailor patterns like these are very rare and seldom come up for sale. You actually stand a better chance at digging up a dinosaur in kindergarten than finding a set of these. Come to think about it, I actually have dug up a dinosaur in kindergarten, at least a piece of one. So there is actually some truth to this. This roll contains the patterns for the Feldbluse or field blouse. The button on the field dressing pocket was officially added on the 19th of August 1937. But as you can see, the button is already added to these patterns, dated 14th of June 1937. This is a cut pattern for straight-legged pants. This roll contains the patterns for the mantle or overcoat. So I wanted to do a quick test and put the original pattern up against an original uniform. So I decided to do a comparison using this beautiful original mint condition mantle. This mantle is marked M39, which translates to Munich Bekleidungsamt 1939. Which means that this overcoat was added to the Munich clothing depot in 1939 and therefore must have been produced before 1940 with the field grey collar. Now let's take a look at some rough measurements and details. Another interesting side note, the dark bluish green cloth collar is believed to have been replaced by the uniform Feldgrau or field grey cloth in early 1940. Hence the term M40 uniform, referred to by collectors and reenactors. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, auf Wiedersehen.